Welcome back to a new vlog. Today I'm bringing you with me to Canary Wharf and we're going to check out the Zara. This will actually be an ASMR vlog, so all natural sounds and me speaking, of course. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in watching, then stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up so I know that you want more vlogs, and comment below your favorite pieces that we check out today. I hope you enjoy. Yeah, in case you're looking for something fun to do, then the ice rink in Canary Wharf is still open. Really, this is just for Christmas time, so I guess it will be closing soon. And then here we have the ivy. This ivy is so lovely. Well, all of the ivies really are pretty inside, but this one's really nice. I've been here on a date and just, by myself as well before. And yeah, it has a bar, lovely lighting, and yeah, it's just gorgeous inside. And they have al fresco terrace upstairs. There's actually some dining here as well, just kind of hidden away. But yeah, all right, let's get going. I've just come across the pinks. Of course, I mean, this blazer is actually really nice and it looks structured and it's belted. That looks pretty. Here is the price if you're interested, but that's a no. And this is short sleeved. It looks like men's. I don't really like that. This is pretty. Let me know in the comments if you would wear this dress. We've got these sparkly slingbacks. Here's the price if you're interested. Here are the bags, and this one's really cute. Ooh. We have a coloured set. So this skirt with this jacket. It's like a purpley pink. Here's the jacket. I think it's getting a bit too warm for that now anyway. Actually, it feels quite light. Okay, let's go upstairs. I love this for summer. What do you think about this? It has cutouts. You like? It's like a chiffon kind of fabric, very light. Pretty sleeve detailing. So the sale rack looks extremely chaotic. I might dive in and see, but I'm going to check the rest of the floor first. Just like that, we're now checking out some of the bags and shoes that they had on display. How pretty and stunning are these heels? The sparkly, very sparkly bow detail. Do you like these? Comment below. What do you think about these belts? I love the gold. I think it's so beautiful. These look very much luxe and premium as far as accessories go, and very, very high end. What's your favorite? So we're in ZARA, as you saw, and we're going to try on these pieces. And most of the items I saw that I liked the look of are from the sale, and I still didn't even love those. So we're going to see. Some of it, a couple of pieces are new collection. So this is this skirt and the pink boucle jacket with the gold buttons that we saw in my last vlog. I'll show you properly in a minute. So yeah, let's try on. The black dress that I just tried on with the belt, this is new collection, and here are the details. You can scan that if you're interested in purchasing. I didn't like the fit on me, the dropped shoulders, you know, I don't like that, and it just seemed loose and baggy and not really flattering on me personally. I liked the length, but also it's just black, you know, and it's nice to do something different and wear color. So this is a no for me. Let's try on some of the other pieces and see. Hope that yeah, I like something when I leave here. So I've just realized that this, which I thought was a mini skirt, is actually a skirt. So it's a skirt at the front and then shorts in the back. I do not like shorts, so it's kind of a no for me. I'll try it on though, just in case you want to see it on. So let's try it on. Here's the skirt on, and it looks lovely from the front, but then from the back obviously it's just shorts, so not really loving that, but still wanted to show you. I'm going to pair this now with one of the boucle jackets, well, this one. So let's have a look. So this is the jacket on. What are we thinking about this? I mean, obviously it's way too oversized for me, the proportions, but what do we think? It's kind of a bit boxy, right? Not really flattering. Let me know your views on this. Now this I thought was just a sleeveless blazer jacket, but it's shorts, okay? She doesn't really do shorts, so this is definitely a no for me. But I love the color, I love the design, I love the style, love the belt. Has gold hardware, I love that. but just not the shorts. So I actually have a sprained wrist at the moment, this one, so it's too much, it's too painful to try to zip this up, so I have to leave it undone. But yeah, this is too dressy anyway. I'm looking for casual everyday, but I just wanted to try it on, but it looks a bit and tacky. Don't really like this one, but I wanted to try it anyway. Okay, this is the last piece. I was thinking maybe I could dye it, but really I would want something cream, and I could only really dye this darker, so it's a no. So unfortunately I didn't find anything that I was in love with, and I've left things a little bit late, so I might actually add some more to this, we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. So I just wanted to check in quickly. All the way down there is a strip right by the river, and there are lots of restaurants down there, and this was where I was planning on going to have something to eat. We'll come back here another day and we'll do that, but yeah, I'm on my way to my appointment. So I thought I would check in with you and end this vlog here. Yeah, in my hand I just have some goodies from Waitrose. But I came out of Zara and I literally pressed, you know when you can do the video record and it makes it go in slow motion? So most of the outro that I did was in slow motion, so it was very silly. But I wanted to end off the vlog properly. Didn't find anything in Zara. Then I went to my medical appointment. Now I'm about to head home and have some Chinese food, which will be really yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and comment below any shopping vlogs or vlogs you would want to see from me, any places that you might want me to go to. Comment below, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.